these kids are not just our students. They're not just a number on a test or just another kid in the building. They're our kids. I mean, they're like our kids.
Well, our first Awesome Kid Day was in October, and that was at the time when students had the option to come back to in-person learning, and a lot of kids still chose to stay virtual. So it was our way of saying, like, hey, we're here, we're having fun at school, regardless of these crazy guidelines and the mask mandate, like, we're still here at school having fun. It helps build the connection between the families and the school and the teachers and the students.
My name is Lynn Nixon. I have 2 children that attend school here at Coeburn Primary School. Today they had Awesome Kids Day, and we've had that several times. We have a lot of community activities and a lot of family involvement, and they always try to keep our children happy and engaged and let them know that they are loved.
The last 8 or 9 years have been a boom in the change on how technology is influencing the classroom. Blended learning, and you do an activity, say using Lumio, that connects the student and the school and the parent and the student back to the school.
When those children come to us, just like in the mornings when they get off that bus, it's like we are their extended family. We not only service the children, we service the parents. We service the guardians. We are here to help anyone in that child's family that we can possibly help. When you become one of my students, you become one of my kids.